Hello and welcome to today's vlog.
Hi.
I'm Tony.
I'm Jan.
Good, there's the introductions all done. Obviously you wouldn't know your own names, so we're okay there. And welcome to Making New Memories. We are, aren't we?
Yeah, definitely.
We're definitely making new memories, crikey. And today we're making some more memories because we're going to be fixing the radio.
Attempting to. Well, he is, not me.
If you'll have seen the previous vlogs, you'll know whilst we've been holed up in the marina here, we've been attending to some little jobs, well, some big jobs actually as well. We still have the engine service to sort out. You will be seeing that hopefully at some point in the future. But yeah, some of the things we've already done. I hope we're not giving too much away because you can see what's in the background, but we will be doing a boat tour as well. That's probably once we get underway, to be perfectly honest, because as we're approaching D-Day, i.e. April the 12th, the world and his wife will be let loose on the network. And it may be chaos out there, but it will certainly be fun and worth watching. So catch up towards the end of April and you'll see what's been going on.
No, middle of April.
Middle of April, yeah, whatever.
Couple of weeks, isn't it?
Not far now, no.
Yeah.
So one of the things that was really bugging me is we had some nice speakers in the saloon here and a very old radio. So old it picked up Radio Caroline.
Are you being serious?
Yeah, it's AM and whatever. Anyway, so we hunted through and found one that had Bluetooth, which means that we can obviously play our phones through it. So all those Spotify sort of apps.
He loves all his gadgets. Yeah. I'm not really bothered.
It also means that if the signal isn't very good with the aerial, you can use your sort of BBC app on your phone and send that to the radio.
Right over my head.
It's also a CD player as well. So yeah, it's very good. But the first problem is getting the old one out. And if I say it was a bit of a problem, would I be underestimating?
I went round the marina walking twice, and although the walk only takes, I'd say 10-15 minutes, you meet people on the way. So you chat to this one, you chat to that one, and I think the first walk took me nearly 2 hours. Came back and the air was still blue. So I went round again, and that took me, I would say, probably an hour and 15 minutes.
Anyway, I'm sure you'd like to see me getting in a fluster, so roll VT. Don't want to come off. That's the old connector, and of course it doesn't fit the new stereo.
I know you're going to start swearing.
That's the new one. And as you can see, I've got 3 pairs of black and red cable, 2 of which are speakers and 1 of which is the mains, the power, 12 volts. I'm guessing that this is the mains because that's yellow and red, and the new connector has a yellow and red all ready to go.
And what happens if you put the wrong thing on the wrong
then
connector?
I'll send 12 volts to one of the speakers
and they'll go woof.
and it'll go woof, and then that'll be it. You'll have no speaker, and we'll probably take the fuse out as well. Shouldn't do, but that's definitely power. What I'm finding hard to understand is that was the only one that was connected, and there's 2 speakers and each speaker has a positive and a negative. That was the only one that was connected, and that's only going to 1 speaker. Well, we know that there's 2 speakers here, so I don't know, and this definitely goes to a speaker. I've got 1 speaker here and 1 speaker the other side of the cabinet, so right, so I've wired up the new stereo. As you can see, it's been a right faff getting the bottom of the cupboard open. And it's wired in as best I think. I've had to, because it hasn't got the original one didn't have an ISO on it. I've had to butcher a few cables and guess where things are. That one definitely is the power. So once Jan flicks the switch, hopefully we should get some power on. Okay, Jan.
Okay.
Well, I'm still here, but I don't appear to have any power. Well, after a load of flipping and jiggery pokery, and found that there was one black wire that wasn't connected. So we've connected that up, and I've put the base back, and let's see if it works. So everything's all back where it was, in particular this bit which had to come out, and this bit of the back here which hides the cables, sort of. Still not in properly, but it's near enough. You won't see that by the time the telly's in there. And I think if we switch it on, we get a radio. Ooh, not allowed to play the music. Shh. But there we go. It does work. Quite nice. What do you think, Janet?
And how long? How long has it taken you, darling?
What time is it now? 3?
Oh, no.
It's 3:30.
3:30, and you started at
11. 4 hours.
Oh, I think a bit
hour for
earlier.
lunch.
No, you didn't have an hour for lunch.
Yeah.
You had about 10 minutes. And did you have any help?
Yeah, a man, Mike, came and said, "You haven't got that wire in." Oh, right, okay.
Why didn't you ask first of all? Well done, good job.
No, well, it's supposed to be fairly easy, but I don't know, obviously not. Anyway, there we go, and it's Bluetooth and everything. Oh, well, at least we got that done in the end, and no injuries, nothing blew up.
No, I kept shouting to make sure that he was still alive, because
Yeah.
I was down the other end of the boat.
Yeah, she was flicking the switches on and off, and I was here. Well, flipping hell, it was, yes.
Yeah. Anyway, it's done.
It's all done, it's all in nicely, and all works.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
So then we decided, well, I wanted to move the boat round so that we were the other way round, because I've been cleaning one side of the boat, but I couldn't do the other one because I am not at my age going along the gunnels, because I will end up in the marina.
Ooh.
So with help from a couple of friends with ropes and stuff,
Yeah.
we
A couple of friends you might recognise if you
Yeah.
look carefully.
we managed to turn it round, and now
Yeah.
we've got a beautiful view.
Yes,
So,
we have a lovely view.
you got excited,
Completely
didn't you?
different. all we did, by the way, all you're going to see is a boat reversing, turning round and reversing back in. But it's a boat moving.
Yeah. And it's our boat moving.
Yeah. So there is something to see. So enjoy.
Enjoy. Keep hold of it, Tony. Oh, I can't. As soon as you go in. As soon as you go out there, it's going to blow.
Okay, all right, okay.
Hold it. Do you want me to come on and hold it? Okay?
Yeah, if you want, yeah.
Let me get down there.
Go on. So what a lovely view we've got now. We can now see our neighbours. Well, I mean, we could see them before, but to be honest, we've now got a really good view out of the bow of the boat that we can see everything that's going on in the marina. Well, almost. Obviously, we can't see the entire marina, but we get a really good view.
And especially the last 2 days, because the weather has been absolutely
Glorious.
beautiful, and we were sitting out on the pontoon and having a chat and having a drink and whatever, and it was really, really lovely. And the boats were in and out, some going out on the cut, others coming in for pump outs and what. So there was quite a lot of movement. It was just really nice.
Yeah, I think because things have changed slightly, we're moving out of lockdown slowly but surely, and you can go out on your boat if you're not liveaboards. You can go out for a day's cruise. Obviously, liveaboards can carry on moving and making essential journeys as they see fit. But the marina is now, I wouldn't say fully open, but those that live locally have been coming down, have been cleaning their boats out, getting them ready for summer cruising, and have popped out for the day, had a nice day out, and come back. And fortunately, we've been able to see some of that from the front of the boat now, haven't we?
Yeah, it was really nice.
Yeah. Hope you've all enjoyed this little update. Not a lot of cruising, obviously, still at the moment, but some nice views, and some irate person trying to fix a radio. Thank you for your patronage of the channel and subscribing.
Thank you.
Of course, thumbs up for a like, as usual. And if you haven't already subscribed, and don't forget, subscribing to the channel is completely free. Then press the subscribe button. Oh,
sorry, excuse me.
I didn't know there was a sneeze button.
Sorry.
If you want to see Jan sneeze, press the sneeze button. You'll need to find that somewhere.
Sorry.
We won't do outtakes. We'll just leave that in, I think. Where was I? Oh, yes. So, thumbs up for a like. You know the routine by now. Subscribe if you haven't already. Press the bell icon.
Ding!
Not a sneeze? Okay. And YouTube will alert you next time we upload a vlog. In the meantime, of course, you can support us by becoming a patron of Patreon. Details down in the description below. We'd love you to know. There's a few extra bits and bobs you can get, some extra benefits for your patronage, and we'll welcome you on there if you decide to join us. If not, of course, like I say, subscribe to the channel. It's free of charge.
Yep.
Hope to see you on the next one. In the meantime, happy sailing. Bye for now.
Bye.